voice unheard. Beyond our face to dust, as greed replaces trust. The voices loud, they scream, but the words are hollow dreams. Can we find our way back home? In the chaos, we're not alone. But deep within our hearts, a fire burns, guided by a light that never turns. For we are stronger, together we stand. With faith in God's hand, we'll rise from the ashes, we'll ascend. The light will guide us till the end. No force of darkness can prevail, for in the end the truth won't fail. They try to bend our will, but our spirit they can't kill. We stand against the storm, through the fire we are reborn. The lights they spread, they fade, as we march on afraid. With every step we take, the chains of fear we break. Through the trials, through the pain, we know our fight's not in vain. But deep within our hearts, a fire burns, guided by a light that never turns. For we are stronger, together we stand. With faith in God's hand, we'll rise from the ashes, we'll ascend. The light will guide us till the end. No force of darkness can prevail, for in the end the truth won't fail. Through the trials, through the pain, we know our fight's not in vain. We're deep